So in this video I'm going to install Lineage OS 19.1 on my Redmi Note 8. So it's quite good ROM as I have seen, and it's got some quite good feature. So after installation I will give you a quick glance of it. And currently I am using Spark OS 2.2, which is decent ROM, but it got a few bugs. I think it will be fixed in the future update. But as for now, I'm not recommending someone to install this ROM. It's quite good, but it has some issues. But let's go to our today's video. So I'm going to install the ROM, and I will see you after finish the installation process.
2000 years later.
I have finished the startup process. Right after, you can see that we are getting MiCam with this ROM. So as you can see here, we are having MiCam, and also we are getting a bunch of apps with a music player and also audio effects, so you can tweak your audio and other things. So let's see first we can customize our notification panel or not. So as you can see, we got internet option. Let's check we can put Wi-Fi or not. Yes, so do it first. It's really annoying. I don't know why they switch these things, so it's really annoying. So I don't really like that, but nothing to complain, it's there. So let's check our Android version and other things first of all. So we are getting Android 12, and the security patch level is April 5 to the 2022, and it's based on actually Android 12L actually, and it got some feature from Android 12.1 and 12.2 I think. So this is an unofficial version of Lineage OS. So, and Lineage OS version is 19.1 as you can see here. So let's check we are getting Xiaomi parts or not. System, and yeah, we are getting Xiaomi parts here. So in my videos I always talk about this Xiaomi parts option. It's really necessary actually for Redmi Note 8. And let's fix our display problem. 30 and 30. By the way, if you are getting any screen burning issue, please try this trick. Hopefully it will work, but sometimes it doesn't work, so it's just try it. It may solve the problem. But one of the permanent solution is you can turn on the night mode on, so it will fix the issue permanently. So it will work on any ROM, but you will get a yellow tint on your display, which is not nice. So and let's see, we are getting in our security option, we are getting any face lock or not. So we are getting face and fingerprint unlock. We are getting both of them, so you can set up either of them, whatever you want. And let's check we are getting any feature or not. So I don't know if we have used any previous Lineage OS or not, or previously we used to know that the Lineage OS was cyanogen mode. So when I had like Samsung phones, I used to install cyanogen mode, not Lineage OS, but which got a lot of customization. But nowadays it's vanished away, so there is not much customization. But I saw that this ROM got some customization. Let's see if you can find it or not, but I couldn't see any kind of feature here. It's barely stock, there is nothing new I can see. But in the screenshot and other things, I saw some features are available, so you can tweak some of this what it called icons and other things. I think you can use from here, I think, so you can change it maybe, but here also there is nothing. Maybe let's check somewhere else. Home city, okay, it's not available, so no customization or available here. It's like Pixel OS or Pixel Experience ROM. It's completely stock, nothing new, just need little tweak. So we are getting traffic indicator and other things here, and dark theme, automatically night mode, and rotation, tap to wake up. ambient. Oh, okay, we are getting some feature on here. So all the feature related to the customization or display customization or anything icon style, all are in the display setting. So in case you are looking for the features, where are the features, you will get it, and then under the display setting, I think. So we are getting some font option, icon pack option, and also we are getting signal icon. So what kind of signal do you want? I mostly prefer this signal icon, so let's select that, and I have selected that one. I think I need to select for Wi-Fi too, so let's select that. So as you can see, it changed the icon. So I don't have any kind of SIM here in my phone. Later on I will put one and I'll check everything, but for now, as far as I can see, our Wi-Fi is connected. Let's check our Bluetooth working or not. So in previous some ROMs, or in old days when I have using Samsung phones and other phones which got MediaTek processor, I used to have this kind of issue where I have installed custom ROM and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth were not working. So that's why I always check these things. Also in this ROM, sometimes the 5 GHz network band doesn't work, so I will check that, but I don't have right now any 5 GHz network band. It's now 2.4 GHz, but later on I will check that and I will inform you. So let me check anything new or here or not. So we can change. We are getting almost same feature like our SparkOS, but SparkOS has much more customization and has better look on the customization option. So you can get you can do it very easily, or where you have to look for it here. So that you are getting in the under the display option, but it's okay. And also we are getting some stock feature of our Android 12 ROM. So let's check our camera app, it's working or not. Also this ROM support MiCam, as I know, but let's see. So our camera is on right now, so let's try to take a photo of the. So I'm taking the photo of this statue. Oh yeah, so okay, let's check. It's quite fast actually, so it's captured the photo quite fast. Let's check. And also our front camera, as you can see, I'm using my Lumia 1520 to capture this video, so it's quite noisy. Okay, so as you can see here, we got depth filling. I don't know why if I try to zoom the photo, it's goes away. You see, it's gone. I think it could be a bug or something else. Let's check in the photos option. So hopefully I can't show you my photos, so let's check. Keep off. Okay, and this is the photo which I quick capture. So as you can see here, it's quite good actually. You are getting a decent MiCam with this phone, and it's working just fine. Let's check our what it called, its details. So 12 megapixel and 5.5 MP and Redmi Note 8, everything is there. So it's quite a decent ROM, and every feature are working or not. Let's check the portrait mode. So when we press the portrait mode, as you can see, the camera gave us error. Let's check portrait. Okay, that means what we have to do is now we have to force close this one. That means we can't use portrait mode with this camera. So if you really need portrait mode, then I don't think this ROM is for you. But still there is a way that if you install MiCam, you will get better portrait than this. So video is working. Let's check short video. It's working. Slow-mo, it's working, as you can see, flickering and everything else. Night mode is working, so everything is working. And pro mode, yeah, 48 MP, yeah, everything is working just fine. So we are getting what it called portrait mode is not working in this ROM, and rather than that, everything is working just fine. I think it's a good ROM. I will check it but some of the ROMs got some camera issue, like in the app, like in the Messenger app or in WhatsApp, they can't switch the camera. Also sometimes the microphone doesn't work. So I will check those things and I will make a detailed video of this ROM. So if you really want to install this ROM right now, the link will be in the description below. You can download it from there. And also when you install this ROM, please install it after formatting the phone. Don't do dirty flash. You may get more bugs than me if you do dirty flash. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I will